Hi all. So once again I'm over here with a really exciting opportunity for all of the freshers out there. So this opportunity is there with the Tata Memorial Hospital, who is the biggest hospital in the oncology trial history. So basically this opportunity is available with them, and there are two positions available for the same, junior clinical trial coordinator and senior clinical trial coordinator. So let's look at the qualifications required for this position. So for junior clinical trial coordinator, you should be having a graduation degree with you. So any BSc Life Sciences graduate who are having BSc in botany, zoology, chemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, anything, they can apply. As well as B.Pharm graduates are also welcome over here for the junior clinical trial coordinator position. And yeah, another opportunity which is available, that is senior clinical trial coordinator. So for this particular position, the qualifications are you should be having a minimum masters with you. So MSc in botany, biotechnology, microbiology, zoology, chemistry, they can apply for this position, as well as MPharm graduates are also able to apply for this particular position. So this is how these two opportunities are available. But yes, over here you should be having a course completed certificate, the course which is required, that is PG diploma in clinical research. So this is a mandatory term from them. So you should be carrying your PG diploma, completed PG diploma in clinical research certification with you. So that is the thing which you have to carry with you. What are the documents required during the interviews are, so basically you should be having your passport size photograph, you should be having your Aadhaar card, you should be having your PAN card, you should be having all of the original documents and a set of copy of all of the documents. Okay, so that you have to carry with you. So this interview will be conducted on 18th of October 2022, and the timing will be like 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. This interview will goes on, and this is a walk-in interview. So please make sure you reach before a time, because that might be a chances that a crowd will be there for this particular interview, as it is for the freshers. Okay, so please make sure the people who are traveling from other cities, please try to reach before time. So 30 minutes before this will be a perfect time for you to reach over there and to appear for this particular interview. So please guys, make sure that you should be carrying your valid PG diploma and clinical certification with you, because this might be an immediate joining opportunity. So I wish you all the best for the same, and yeah, please follow my channel, like, share and subscribe. Also you will be able to see my all latest job updates on my page, which is called Clini Hunt. You will find the link in the description box. Thank you so much. Have a good day.